a tool such as Legal Advice Middle East, I think, is a great tool for both lawyers and clients. I mean, first, because I think it addresses a new need, an emerging need of the younger generations being so web related. I mean, for me, I mean, 20 years ago, there was no internet. So it's a skill that I had to learn, that I had to, that I had to learn. It was not something like innate. Like if you look at the generation of people that are in their 20s, they were born with that technology. So when you're born with the technology, their use of it is completely different than my use. Although I tried to catch up on a few things, but like for example, the legal profession was very, very reluctant about using digital marketing and social media. And you know what? We're coming around it, that we like it or not, because that's the way we have to recruit clients. But a platform like the Legal Advice Middle East is a great platform because of two things. First, it's a pool of lawyers that are saying, hey guys, I'm here, and here's my profile, and you're going to choose the lawyer that suits your profile. I don't have the science to answer everyone, and my personality doesn't fit all kinds of customers, and I'm fine with that. Vice versa, sometimes there are clients that I'm not able to work with because of various, various reasons, that it be a personality or ethics or something that or the other, which does not happen very often, but it does happen. And I've said, you know what, please just go and find yourself another lawyer, because I'm being honest with you. I think you can get something better from another lawyer or another law firm if no one else can do it within my office. So a platform such as this one, gives you the possibility to ask questions as a client to lawyers. So it can be address it in a general pool, which means that you're going to go and just put a general questions, and a lawyer that is interested will click it and take it and answer your questions. Or you can actually ask specifically questions to a lawyer directly. So you can send me an email directly to me saying, Helen, I have a question for you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this generation of speed and fasting, that's the best way to do the first contact. And that's where it really serves a very, very important need for that generation of, not fast food, because I don't think the fast food is a right analogy for this. Because for me, something which is fast food, you eat it and you throw it away. It's fast access. So it's something that you have access quickly, you make a first contact, and then after that you develop it into something else. And then it becomes the duty of both the lawyer and the clients to bring it to fruition. It takes, it has to be on both sides. So it's a great platform. And this is where the legal profession is going. I mean, more and more, now we can work from anywhere and everywhere. We don't have to work from our own practice. We can we can leave early and work from home and still be as efficient as if we're at home, because we have access to our billing system, our servers, everything. So it's literally like being in the office without being in the office. So the same applies to finding a lawyer. So yes, a contact is still necessary for me because I'm a person of contact. Some of the lawyers may not necessarily want that and say we can do everything by email. It's not really my style, although this is, maybe we're going to be aiming, there will be a part of the practice that will be aiming or will be developing in that direction in the future. But I still believe that there will be lawyers that are still very much about personal contact. And I think the Legal Advice Middle East does give the right platform for that first contact, and then that can be developed in something further.